to leave with him back up to the 5th floor when he belonged. And I'm not you. And if we come along into all of it all, what I mean. The total could soon be the name. Well, as a matter of fact, the building is where I'm going. I'm not finding anyone in this city building. Never and never. Never, you piece of crap. I mean, 5th floor of this building. The whole building. And my grandma. Don't forget her.
Que no le entiendo lo que dijo.
Well, my talking. I mean.
A la pasa. Mira, espera, subir que está mi marido.
Ah, vale.
I mean.
Está diciendo la mujer que no te entiende porque no le habla normal.
To indicate who is your tea, because it's my genetic lifts.
Al final, donde va entre gente no voy a entrar.
Because we hate peasants too.
No chilles, te estoy diciendo.
He threatened me for no reason.